Classroom. A teacher by the name Irish walks into her class like it's just a normal day. She'd go on with her usual routine, but nothing unusual happening so far.
Good evening, Rigel.
The entire class stays silent, as if the teacher in front of them was a mere ghost that could be seen. The teacher walks up. The teacher walks up into her class, checking each one by one, until she finally noticed something that's so common, it became petrifying. Iris saw the lifeless look in every eyes of her students.
Everyone, help!
The principal suddenly came over to her, rushing in to know what was happening.
Are you okay?
Yes. Oh no, something happened! It was all a mess.
He's gonna be fine. Let's go to the nurse.
The principal suddenly looked in front of him. A scream stirred and he suddenly dropped dead. Iris didn't know what was happening. She just closed her eyes for a moment. Then suddenly, she woke it up to her left side. Everything in her sight was so dark. She couldn't bear to move a limb. Iris was starting to go dizzy. She didn't know what was real or what was fake at this point. A dark figure was moving around her side, not knowing what it was.
No, none of this is real.
Iris suddenly grasped her bag, trying to find where she hid her meds.
Where my medicine? Breathe in, breathe out.
Flashback, bus, field trip day.
Kids, are you ready for our field trip today? Yes, Well then, this is Mr. Nance. He will be our driver today.
Skip to everyone sleeping on the bus later.
Mom, I think there's been a malfunction in our bus.
Malfunction?
All the students suddenly wake up panicking.
Okay, everyone, calm down.
The teacher looks under her seat for a moment, then Irish went in a state of shock, realizing that she's the only survivor left. Then she started wandering around the now destroyed bus. present, hospital. We now see that Irish was just in a hospital bed all along. She'd been in a long-term coma for the past 10 years, with vital signs happening every time the same event kept happening to her. Only this time, something happened that woken her up.
Congrats, ma'am. You've woken up from a 10-year coma. In your coma? You were seen in an unfortunate accident with 32 students and once in Hollywood.
Irish then looked at a distance, ensuring that it was her.
Take me, Rydell.
Irish then points to the corner of the room. Irish vital signs suddenly dropped, making her confirm